With so many options on the market, choosing the right football boots can feel overwhelming. The latest models of the year bring cutting-edge technology, improved comfort, and game-changing performance, but which ones truly stand out? Whether you're looking for speed, precision, or all-around dominance on the pitch, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 new football boots, breaking down their key features, innovations, and why they deserve a spot in your kit. Stick around because one of these boots is an absolute game changer that you won't want to miss. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. Don't miss out on the best deals, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get into it. Number 5 is the Nike Tiempo Legend 10 Elite, evolution of the classic leather boot designed for players who demand a perfect balance of comfort, durability, and control. Its FlyTouch Plus engineered leather upper offers a soft, premium feel, molding to the foot for enhanced touch and precision. Unlike traditional leather, this material is lighter and doesn't absorb water, ensuring consistent performance in all conditions. Nike's All Conditions Control (ACC) technology further aids control in wet and dry conditions, making this boot a reliable option for defenders and midfielders. The Flyknit collar provides a snug sock-like fit, reducing slippage and increasing stability during sharp movements. Underfoot, the Hyper-Stability sole plate features a mix of conical and bladed studs for exceptional grip, allowing quick pivots and strong tackles. This makes it a preferred choice for defensive stalwarts like Virgil van Dijk. Despite being built for durability, the Tiempo Legend 10 Elite doesn't compromise on agility, making it a great option for any position. Nike has also incorporated eco-friendly materials, keeping sustainability in mind. Whether you're controlling the tempo of a game or executing pinpoint passes, this boot supports precision play. Nike also introduced a redesigned insole with extra cushioning, reducing fatigue during long matches. The shoe has been tested in professional conditions, proving its reliability in high-pressure situations. Retailing at around $230, the Tiempo Legend 10 Elite is a premium choice for serious players. Number 4 is the Adidas X Speedportal Plus 2025. This laceless boot is designed for explosive acceleration, making it a favorite among wingers and strikers who rely on quick bursts of pace. The Prime Knit upper provides a seamless second skin fit, eliminating unnecessary bulk while keeping your foot locked in. The absence of laces means a cleaner striking surface, helping players maintain precision when shooting at high speeds. The carbon fiber speed frame sole plate is the highlight, delivering rapid energy return and ensuring every step propels you forward. This is the same technology used in sprinting shoes, allowing for maximum acceleration. Strategically placed bladed studs improve traction, helping with quick direction changes. The shoe is also 20% lighter than its predecessor, ensuring no drag while sprinting. Mohamed Salah and João Felix favor this boot for its unmatched speed capabilities. The lightweight design is complemented by an internal speed cage system, keeping the foot stable during high-speed movements. The X Speedportal Plus also integrates agility mesh material, helping control the ball even when dribbling at full speed. A newly added anti-slip heel lining reduces internal movement, preventing blisters. Adidas has included recycled materials in its production, aligning with eco-friendly initiatives. With bold neon colorways, this boot stands out visually and performance-wise. The X Speedportal Plus 2025 is priced at around $280, making it a premium speed-focused boot for elite athletes. Number 3 is the Puma Future Ultimate. It's offering exceptional agility, comfort, and adaptability on the field. It features Puma's Fusion Fit plus adaptive compression band, ensuring a snug fit that molds to various foot shapes, making it ideal for both narrow and wide-footed players. The engineered mesh upper is designed to enhance ball control and breathability, keeping feet cool during intense matches. A key upgrade in this model is the Zoned Grip Control Pro texture, which improves touch when dribbling or passing. The dynamic motion system outsole enhances multi-directional movement, perfect for playmakers who need quick, agile footwork. This outsole also incorporates stud variations to improve traction on both firm ground and artificial turf. The sock-like construction provides a secure lockdown, preventing unnecessary foot movement. Puma's Nano Grip insole adds extra cushioning, reducing stud pressure and improving long-term comfort. The dual-density P-Bax plate adds responsiveness, ensuring energy return during quick sprints. A reinforced heel counter helps provide extra stability, especially during aggressive cuts and turns. The Future Ultimate weighs around 210 grams, keeping it lightweight yet durable. Available in striking neon and black-red designs, this boot ensures you stand out on the pitch. Priced at approximately $220, it is one of the best options for midfielders and attackers looking for agility and comfort. Number 2 is the Adidas Predator Accuracy 2025, offering unparalleled precision, control, and striking power. Its high-definition grip, rubberized elements provide maximum grip on the ball, ensuring accuracy when shooting or passing. The prime knit upper ensures a flexible yet snug fit, while the adaptive fit collar locks the foot in place. This boot is engineered for set-piece specialists who thrive on delivering pinpoint crosses and powerful free kicks. Designed for Lionel Messi, the Predator Accuracy 2025 utilizes strike zone grip ridges, helping players add curve and spin effortlessly. Adidas has refined the hybrid stud configuration, ensuring maximum traction on firm ground and artificial grass. The boot's laceless design removes any distractions, offering an uninterrupted striking surface. A new shock frame midsole absorbs impact, improving comfort and reducing strain on the foot. The external heel counter enhances stability, preventing slips and injuries. Weighing around 225 grams, the boot maintains a balanced feel without sacrificing power. Its sleek black and red design reflects its aggressive nature on the field. This model also integrates eco-friendly materials, continuing Adidas's commitment to sustainability. With a price point of $250, the Predator Accuracy 2025 is a top choice for midfielders and strikers. Number 1 is the Nike Phantom GX Elite. At the top of the list is the Nike Phantom GX Elite, a boot built for elite-level control, precision, and agility. The grip knit upper technology provides maximum touch sensitivity, ensuring an almost barefoot feel while dribbling or passing. Fly knit ankle support adds comfort and security, while the hyper-quick sole plate ensures explosive acceleration. Designed for Kevin De Bruyne and Kylian Mbappé, this boot is tailored for playmakers and finishers. The textured upper enhances ball grip, improving shot accuracy and pass control. Nike has introduced a dynamic fit collar, which prevents unnecessary foot movement. Conical and chevron studs provide the perfect mix of agility and stability, allowing for quick direction changes. The Phantom GX Elite also features a reinforced toe box, protecting against impact when striking the ball. Weighing around 215 grams, it's a lightweight yet durable option for competitive players. The bold blue, black, and white design makes a statement on the pitch. The anti-slip internal lining ensures comfort for extended matches. Priced at approximately $275, the Phantom GX Elite is the ultimate control-focused boot for professionals.